Here we are. I'm using Osmo Action 4K 60p with only the light of this fire candle. I want to see what does it make or it look like. Do you see? I'm using it with the only light of fire. If you see Italian paint of Renaissance, you see always this kind of skin color. Michelangelo, Buonarroti, and all the painters of that period, they have always this kind of skin color. Understand? Because if they were working during the night on the closet in the winter, they needed this kind of fire. So what happened? It happens that this is the color they were seeing, seeing. So this is the reason why they were using the fire, because this was the only way to see people in the black room, dark room. So this was the solution, but it gave to the painter, the famous painter, the idea, or they have no other way to act, to paint people with this color of paint. And it became the art way of Italian painter of Renaissance. Okay? Do you know Caravaggio? Do you know Michelangelo? You see? They were moving the light, and it depends on where they were going. They decided to use it for their paint. And it helped a lot for the modern movie director. Yes, today we have so strong light, but I want to see if I like that. The same way the father of the father of the father of the father of the father from 20 times of me were using here in Italy, in Rome and Florence, in Venice. That's all. Okay? I wanted to test this kind of light used from all my ancient parents. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Stop recording. The Osmo Action didn't. Okay. Stop recording. Stop recording.